Hello and welcome to the short video on the KUPO 3-axis camera mounting plate kit. In the US, a grip's job is not only to provide support for lights and non-electric light modifiers such as gobos, but of course to provide support for the camera as well. The KUPO 3-axis camera mounting plate kit allows you to easily and quickly rig a camera to 2-inch pipe with the full flexibility of movement that 3 axes provide. The components are machined from a strong, durable, lightweight aluminum alloy. The kit consists of a matching pair of 2-inch couplers welded to a 5.5-inch length of pipe with safety flanges, so if the coupler loosens up inadvertently, the camera won't plummet to the ground. The last component is a 2-inch coupler welded to a 90 by 260 mm plate with 6 standard 3/8-inch holes spaced 1 inch apart on center, giving you the flexibility of mounting a cheese plate as well as other applications. Let's rig a cine camera to a goalpost between 2 wind-up stands for a stable overhead shot. The 3-axis camera mounting plate kit gives you the flexibility to mount your camera to any 2-inch pipe in any position securely and quickly. Whatever your application, this kit will be indispensable. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.